Prepare to embark on a transcendent and immersive culinary odyssey that will transport you to the enchanting landscapes, centuries-old traditions, and the tantalizing flavors of Morocco in our video, Savoring the Spice Route, exploring the world of Moroccan Tagine. This is not just a culinary exploration, it's a transformative journey of the senses, inviting you to immerse yourself in the heart and soul of Moroccan cuisine. Our adventure commences amidst the captivating Medina's of Marrakesh, where time seems to stand still amidst the labyrinthine alleyways, vibrant souks, and the echo of centuries-old history. As you navigate through this sensory wonderland, you'll find yourself surrounded by a kaleidoscope of colors, intricate patterns of Moroccan tiles, and the harmonious cacophony of sounds and scents that define Marrakesh. The air is heavy with the alluring aromas of exotic spices, simmering stews, and the genuine warmth and hospitality of the Moroccan people. It's an immersive sensory experience that beckons you to become a part of the intricate tapestry of Moroccan cuisine, setting the stage for our deep exploration of the artistry behind crafting the culinary gem known as Tagine. As we unveil the secrets of Moroccan Tagine, you'll have the privilege of witnessing the remarkable skill of local chefs at work. It's a mesmerizing display of culinary finesse, where tender cuts of meat, fragrant herbs, and a symphony of spices come together in perfect harmony within the unique clay pot, the Tagine. This humble vessel is not just a cooking instrument, it's a conduit for capturing and enhancing the exquisite flavors that define Moroccan cuisine. Yet, Tagine is more than a dish, it's a reflection of Morocco's rich and diverse culinary heritage, deeply rooted in the country's position as a crossroads of ancient spice routes and cultural influences. Join us on a sensory journey that transcends geographical boundaries, from the bustling spice markets of Fez, where saffron, cumin, and cinnamon tantalize the senses, to the serene oases of the Sahara Desert, where centuries-old recipes have been cherished and passed down through generations. Discover the profound cultural significance of Tagine in Moroccan life, where it elevates beyond a mere meal to become a cherished celebration of family, hospitality, and the art of slow cooking. It's food that unites people, steeped in centuries of tradition, and an embodiment of Morocco's rich and multifaceted identity. Savoring the Spice Route is far more than just a video, it's a heartfelt tribute to culinary traditions, breathtaking landscapes, and the innate warmth of Morocco and its people. Journey alongside us as we savor every moment of this culinary voyage through Tagine, and experience the artistry, flavors, and passion that have elevated this dish to an enduring symbol of Moroccan culture and a beloved treasure of the global culinary scene. Prepare to be not just inspired and educated but thoroughly transported to the captivating Medina's, vast desert landscapes, and bustling markets of Morocco. Allow the mesmerizing stories and aromatic flavors that await you in Savoring the Spice Route, exploring the world of Moroccan Tagine to awaken your wanderlust, deepen your culinary curiosity, and kindle your love for the intricate tapestry of Moroccan cuisine. It's more than a video, it's an invitation to embark on a sensory and cultural adventure that promises to leave an indelible mark on your heart, your palate, and your understanding of the world of gastronomy.